In front of me is a OPPO Reno8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. If you want to take control over what apps send you notifications, here's how to do it. Start by opening Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to hit Notifications and Quick Settings. Now scroll again to hit Manage All next to App Notifications and select Recent at the top left corner to pick one of those sorting options. Sort by Most Recent Notifications, Most Frequent Notifications, All, or Apps with Turned Off Notifications. So when I click Frequency, I will show all my apps with most frequent notifications at the top. Now my favorite part, to block notifications from any app, just tap on blue switcher right next to it. And that's it. To switch them back on, hit the same now gray one. If you want to manage more notifications options from chosen app, you need to go back and pick one here instead. Tap on it, manage all of those options however you want to, and to switch on or off app notifications, use this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!